Love sometimes could be irresistible. We can fall in love with literally anyone, including he who already has a girlfriend. His unavailable status often discourages girls to take a step closer to him. But what if he is the man of your dream? Would you let him pass just like that simply because he has a girl? Before we get started, if you'd like to know how to activate his male ego to make winning your love an irresistible challenge, then click the link in description below. If his face keep haunting inside your heart, don't give it a try? You don't know where to start, but to begin with you need to know the ways how to make him want you more than his girlfriend. Look good. Because he already has someone as an apple of his eyes, you need to stand out more to catch his attention. Always look good and proper around him. Put your chin up, believe in yourself that you look good, and you will. Don't copy her style. Just because he seems to be crazy over his girlfriend, doesn't mean he will do the same if you copy her style. Instead, you'll look like a poor stalker who intend to steal his girlfriend. Pull your own style and rock it. Play with eye contact. Tease and flirt him. Don't avoid his eyes, but stare back when he looks at you, and turn away in a playful manner. Guys likes to be teased and he'll be wondering did you like him or not. Ignore him. Again with the playful manner, after you make your first eye contact, ignore him for the next few days. He'll be curious and continue to steal a glance at you. Meet his eyes sometimes, and look away. This playful manner is an easy way to get him to miss you like a crazy. Start off with his friend. Create a good relationship with his friends. Hang out with them and leave a good impression on them. Let the news fly away to his ear through them. Accept his offer to help. To protect a woman is a natural instinct for a man. He likes it when us women look fragile and depend on him a lot. But don't be too spoiled and lazy that you always need him all the time. Just accept his help when he offers. Make him comfortable. Embrace them as friend. Don't show your intention too early or else he'll be running away. Make him feel comfortable around you and feel appreciated for anything he do. Don't speak ill of his girlfriend. At some point you might be frustrated because it's so hard to make him leave his girlfriend. Don't speak ill of her just because you want him. Let him see the good on you without bringing other people down. Don't ask him to leave her. It's a big no-no to ask him to leave his girlfriend. He would think that you are a bad girl who steal other people's boyfriend. Learn about her. It's good to enter the enemy's side to blow them up. Instead of thinking of her as your opponent, learn about her personality and character. If she happened to be a Taurus, you can learn all about Taurus woman personality. What does she have? Is there anything he doesn't like from her? Like an incomplete puzzle, be the lost pieces he's looking for. Have a deep conversation. Engage him in a deep and serious conversation about love. Ask him what quality he looks for in his girlfriend, ask him how does he feel about his relationship. Talk about goals and dreams in life and make sure he feel that you match in many ways to him. Don't be too flirty. He may be still wondering whether you like him or not, and maybe he start to take interest on you. But it's too early to flirt with him. Play it cool and stay mysterious. Hold back yourself. Try not to text him too often. Show him some signs that you like him, then give him other signs that would make him confused. Make him the one who give you the attention, not the other way around. He may start to find the ways on how to tell if a girl is playing with your emotions. Touch him. After all the signals you send to him, not take the true act. Touch him lightly when you meet him. Brush his arm lightly as if you don't mean to. See any signs he is fighting his feelings for you. Don't rush it. The most important ways to make him leave his girlfriend is you're patient. Don't rush thing and do something stupid. It will ruin everything you have built from the start. Don't confront his girlfriend. Never ever appear in front of his girlfriend and saying that you like him. It's a stupid move and only make him want to leave you as he's not prepared for this moment. If you happen to meet her, treat her in a good manner. If you had a past relationship with her, this is a good ways to get your ex back when he has a girlfriend. Don't be jealous of her. If you fall in love with a man who already has a girlfriend, jealousy is unavoidable. Don't get angry and show him that you are jealous. It only put him into much pressure and he might decide to leave you. So that is some clever ways to make him leave his girlfriend. You may think a lot because of this, but there's no need to worry too much.